Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kinikilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Kum gajingpan kre yaga Arhajar Arpsan Special Summary Revision of Photo Electoral Rolls u Chief Electoral Officer CEO Kajila Meghalaya ulakhot yaga jingyalang gaba kongsan menta kasni. Bad kinong yalam jugi seng balang bapher bar ki Officer Election District. Kani ka jingyalang kalong ban yakran halor ka jingpan kalai ka thup nong thep vot ka ban sawan bat ban pan jingmut na ki seng san perthai jung ka jilla. U CEO ula banjur ya ka jingdon kam ban penyadai ba ki seng san perthai ban penti kenai ya ka jingpan kala ka bayat bet renti bat ka basyai. Hadian ka jingyalang u CEO ula kran shikilat pathai khubor da ka babatai ki mat ba kongsan balaya kran bat ki sinjam ki bahadian ban shim kum shibenta ban pinkala.
Today we have a meeting with the political party representatives in respect to the ongoing special summary revision of the photo electoral roll with respect to the qualifying date 1st January 2025. So, as per existing policy of the ECI, the annual summary revision with reference to the 1st January of the coming year as qualifying date is normally conducted in the later part of each year in all state UTs, so that final publication of electoral roll is made in the first week of January of succeeding year. So, as per the provisions of section 14 of RP Act 1950, 4 qualifying dates 1st January, 1st April, 1st July and 1st October are available, and therefore annual summary revision is conducted with reference to 1st January of the succeeding year as a qualifying date, along with the seeking advance application for 3 subsequent qualifying dates 1st April, 1st July and 1st October of the year. So, Election Commission of India had decided to carry out annual summary revision with reference to 1st January 2025 as the qualifying date in all state UTs except Haryana, Jharkhand, Maharashtra and UT of Jammu and Kashmir in such a manner that the electoral roll are finally published much before National Voters Day, which is on 25th January of every year, so that electoral photo identity cards or epics generated for new electors, especially young voters who are completing 18 years, can be distributed to them in ceremonial manner on the day of National Voters Day. So there are 2 stages of conducting revision exercise of electoral roll, namely pre-revision activities and revision activities. For the purpose of achieving good quality electoral roll, pre-revision activities are given equal weightage as that of revision activities. The schedule of special summary revision of electoral roll is also being shared. So house to house, as per the pre-revision activity, we are having house to house verification through booth level officers, and then rationalization, rearrangement of the polling station, removal of discrepancies in the electoral roll and epics such as dead, duplicate, shifted electors, etc., and improvement quality of photographs wherever necessary. So for that a date has been given. So 20th August 2024 till 18th October 2024, this is the pre-revision activities time schedule. So preparation of integrated draft roll with reference to 1st January 2025 as qualifying date. It will be by Monday on 28th of October 2024. After the pre-revision activity, as part of the revision activities, we have the publication of integrated draft electoral roll, which will held on the 29th October 2024 on Tuesday. So period for filing of claims and objections will be from 29th October till 28th November for 1 month, and then special campaign dates in between where the BLOs have they will be present on their booth and people can approach there also. So special campaign dates are the 15th and 16th November, and similarly 21st and 22nd November. So 4 special campaign dates will be there at the polling stations. So disposal of claim objection will be by 24th of December 2024. So 28th November till 24th this disposal of claim objection will be ongoing, but that process will end by 24th of the December. So final publication of the electoral roll will be held on 6th January 2025 Monday. So this is the detailed schedule, and we almost going to complete this house to house verification and pre-revision exercise, most of the activities. So process is ongoing. We have a meeting with the political party representatives, and all the schedule necessary requisite request in respect to any complaint and appointment of BLA etc., and detailed schedule, special mandate, and all the details of the special summary revision has been briefed to the political party representatives, and we had a good discussion and we addressed to their queries also.